Most people use ChatGPT just for fun, but they are missing a huge opportunity. You can actually use ChatGPT to make money online. Here's how. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write blog posts, product descriptions, or social media content. Then go to Fiverr or Upwork and offer these as services. Businesses are already paying for this. Or you can answer questions on Quora and attach affiliate links to earn commissions. Simple work, powered by AI. The truth is, AI is not replacing you, it's giving you speed, and people who move fast make money first.
Start today.